Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's your boy like you, and today I'm going to show you how to use RCPA, the Ready Tearing CSS Project Assistant, the tool that I created to automate all the process from the setup of your project to the creation of your file to the installation of the old npm dependencies related to your projects. It set up tailoring CSS for you, and it can prompt you to provide a PAT, a personal access token, to access your GitHub account, create an online report, link it to your local project, and push your code through GitHub. So let's get started. So let's go on my GitHub. I'm going to explain all the functionalities of the tool, and then after I'm going to show you one of the few commands that I make in place to create and automate all of that. So let's get started. So as I said, there is the RCPA repo on GitHub, located on github.com/, like you with the capital L and /RCPA. You just type in this link and you can access to my repo on GitHub. So as I said, this tool is the Ready Tearing CSS Project Assistant creation. It helps you to automate all the creation of the projects. So you can choose from the HTML CSS projects or the Vite vanilla JS or a Angular framework. Soon I will be adding all the other framework like React, Vue.js, and I don't know, Astro maybe is about, but I don't know. I need to dive into all the setup of that frameworks in order to me to add it on the tool. So it automatically sets up tearing CSS, automatic configuration of a linter and a formatter like ESLint and Prettier, and it can automatically initialize a local Git repository, and it can initialize an online GitHub repo and push your codes, but it requires a PAT, a personal access token that you can create on your account and provide. We got two ways of using the tool. You can use the installation, like a global installation using npm install-g RTPA. You can use your own global add RTPA. You can use npm install-g RTPA. And for the usage, you can choose for the interactive modes through the terminal. So if you type in RTPA, you got an interactive tool and you can choose options, and the tool can guide you through the steps. So, but you can type in one single command in the terminal, like dash simple project name. You can create rtpa.js project name, and you can type in rtpa angular project name for all these type of projects you want to create. So this is the documentation. You can just go to my GitHub. I'm gonna provide a link in the description or in the comment section below for you to access the tool. Actually, I'm gonna show you how to use one of the commands. Like, I'm gonna open my terminal, but I'm going to use npx for it. So I'm gonna cd, going to my desktop. Actually, where I want to create, I have a folder called test RCPA when I test all the functionality of the tool. So if I want to create a project like a simple HTML CSS project with tailwind CSS or the setup, I'm just here to type in npx. I'm going to use npx because I don't want to do a global installation on my PC. So I'm going to go ahead and type rtpa dash simple for a simple HTML CSS project dash simple, and I have to provide the name of the projects. Let's just provide something like my project tailwinds, and just to type in enter, you let the magic happen. Here you can see RTPA, you got simple HTML, you got Angular project and vitejs. I created this tool, is an open source tool. You can go ahead on GitHub and fork the project and see all the code base. So right now, the tool just finished the installation of all the dependencies, the creation of all the files, the base structure files of the project, and then it asked me, do you want to have a linter like ESLint or a format or Prettier to format your code? So I'm going ahead and type in yes. The tool gonna automatically configure ESLint and Prettier starting by the installation, and then after it's created, the files for the configuration. It's gonna put a basic configuration of the tool, but you can go ahead and change all the configuration as you need. And after the installation of ESLint, the tool gonna ask me, do you want to create a GitHub repository for this project and push the code? So it's require PAT. I'm going ahead and type in yes. It say, please enter your GitHub personal access token. I'm go ahead. I have my personal token right here. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste it in here. I'm gonna type in yes. It asks me, do you want the repository to be private? So if I want my repo to be private, I'm going ahead and type in yes. So it creates a repository. It's doing all the commit stuff and then push the code to GitHub. So I got a ready project within a minute without doing all the go forth and back for the project. So actually, when you finish, it said project posted to GitHub successfully. Your repository is available at this link. So if I go to this link within my GitHub, so I already have my online repo on GitHub and my project. And the feed is initial project setup, that the first commit message that the tool created. So you can go ahead to the readme and do all the configurations. So if you finish, actually, you can just cd my tailwind project, and I'm going ahead and open it with code. So if you open your projects into VS Code key, all the structure, all the files being created for you. So you just need to go ahead and open your projects. You can just open your project. Close this one. You can just open your index.html file already created. It generates all these codes for you. So you just go ahead and type in npm start development server for tailwindcss. But after, you can go ahead and type in go live. It's going to open a browser with the index.html file with all the first templates I make in place. So like this one, you have a functional tailwindcss project with simple HTML. So you can go ahead and start coding. So that is what I wanted to show you today in this video, guys. So you can go ahead and explore all the commands for you to create a vitejs project or an Angular project. But from this video, it's all. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video, guys.